Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete all the drafts on your phone in TikTok. They may take up a lot of space, but they are also useless. How do you delete them? To do this, you log into your TikTok. Then in your profile, you find a list of your drafts. Click here. Here we see all of them. Here we can select an individual draft and delete it, or we can select all of them at once and delete all the drafts. As you can see, this is a very quick and easy way to do it. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.